Every developer knows the magic of flow state. When your mind is fully immersed, ideas are clear, and your fingers seem to move on their own. But all too often, this rare state is interrupted by endless approval dialogues, formatting reminders, and test commands. Each tiny interruption chips away at your focus, leaving you frustrated and less productive. In this video, we'll explore how Claude Code Hooks can transform these interruptions into seamless automations, letting you stay in the zone and focus on what matters, building great software. It's not just about waiting for approvals or running commands. The real cost is context switching. Every time you're forced to answer a trivial question, like approving a file write or running tests, your brain is pulled out of its creative rhythm. These decisions may seem minor, but they add up, breaking your flow and making it harder to stay sharp. Claude Code Hooks are designed to move these repetitive decisions out of your head and into your configuration, so you can focus on coding, not on clicking. Claude Code Hooks are simple but powerful. At their core, they listen for specific events within Claude Code and execute shell commands when those events occur. There's no magic or hidden state, just clear, predictable automation. The real power comes from choosing the right moments to trigger these hooks, letting you automate away the friction points that slow you down. Let's break down the main types of hooks and see how they can make your workflow smoother. Claude Code Hooks can be set to trigger at various points in your workflow. For example, pre-tool use fires before any tool runs, letting you block dangerous operations. Post-tool use runs after a tool completes, perfect for auto-formatting or logging. Permission request intercepts permission dialogs, while session start injects context at the start of a session. Other hooks like stop, pre-compact, sub-agent stop, and user prompt submit cover everything from running tests to injecting instructions. Each hook is an opportunity to automate away a pain point. Let's start with a simple but game-changing hook, auto-formatting every file Claude writes or edits. By configuring a post-tool use hook, you can ensure that every file is automatically formatted. No approvals, no reminders, no more "I'll fix it later." This keeps your codebase clean and consistent, without breaking your focus. Once you experience the smoothness of this automation, you'll wonder how you ever coded without it. You can take auto-formatting a step further by stacking multiple hooks. For example, run both Prettier and ESLint in parallel after every write or edit. This means your code isn't just formatted, it's also linted for style and errors before you even see it. The result? Every edit meets your team's standards automatically, and you never have to worry about cleaning up later. It's a quiet guarantee of quality with zero extra effort. One subtle frustration with AI coding tools is that every session starts cold. You know the state of your project, but Claude unless you tell it. With a session start hook, you can automatically inject context, like the current Git status or a list of active TODOs, before you even type a word. This means Claude is always up to speed, and you don't have to waste time explaining what's going on. It's like picking up a conversation right where you left off. Mission dialogs are meant to protect you, but approving the same safe command hundreds of times is just noise. With the permission request hook, you can auto-approve commands you trust, like running tests or linting, so you're never interrupted by unnecessary dialogues. This keeps your attention where it belongs, on building, not on clicking through repetitive confirmations. Just be sure to only auto-approve commands you genuinely trust. Testing is crucial, but it's easy to forget or put off. With the stop hook, you can automatically run tests every time Claude finishes responding. Failures show up immediately, and the output is trimmed to just the useful bits. This tightens your feedback loop, catches bugs early, and keeps your code honest, without you having to remember to run tests yourself. It's a small change that makes a big difference in code quality. Sometimes you want Claude to activate specific skills, like architecture, refactoring, or debugging, without having to remember the right prompt. With the user prompt submit hook, you can automatically append extra instructions to every prompt. This ensures Claude always has the right guidance, leading to more consistent and effective results. No more prompt gymnastics or relying on memory, just smooth, reliable automation. You can configure Claude Code Hooks in several places. Project-wide in /settings, JSON for shared team standards, in Claude /settings, local, JSON for personal project preferences, or globally in /, Claude /settings, JSON for all your projects. Project settings override user settings, allowing teams to enforce non-negotiables while individuals keep their own optimization. This flexibility makes hooks easy to scale across teams and workflow. Hooks aren't just a personal productivity tool, they scale surprisingly well across teams. By centralizing key automations in shared settings, teams can agree on standards like formatting and testing, while still allowing individuals to fine-tune their own workflows. This balance of consistency and flexibility helps everyone work more efficiently and reduces friction across the board. Like any automation, hooks can sometimes misfire. If a hook isn't triggering, double-check your match or syntax. Small typos can make a big difference. If a command fails silently, add logging to capture errors and debug more easily. And if everything feels slow, remember that hooks have a 60-second timeout. For heavy tasks, consider running them in the background or trimming their output. Treat your hooks like production code, reliable, maintainable, and well-tested. If all this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. You don't have to automate everything at once. Start with the friction point that bothers you most. Maybe it's constant formatting, endless approvals, missing context, or forgotten tests. Fix just one thing and live with it for a few days. You'll quickly notice the difference. Once you feel the relief, adding the next hook will feel less like configuration and more like a natural step forward. Let's recap how these hooks work together in practice. With auto-formatting, linting, context injection, auto-approvals, and automated testing, your workflow becomes smoother and more reliable. You spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time solving real problems. The result is a more enjoyable, productive coding experience, one where you can stay in flow and let automation handle the rest. Flow state isn't just a buzzword, it's the key to deep creative work. Every interruption, no matter how small, pulls you out of that state and makes it harder to do your best work. By automating away the most common sources of friction, Claude Code Hooks help you protect your flow and maximize your productivity. It's about working smarter, not harder. Even trivial decisions, like approving a formatting change or running a test, add up over time. Each one breaks your concentration and drains your mental energy. By moving these decisions into automated hooks, you free up your mind for more important work. It's a subtle shift, but it makes a big difference in how you feel at the end of the day. Think of hooks like reflexes for your coding environment, automatic responses to predictable situations. Once set up, they require no conscious thought. You decide once, and Claude executes forever. This turns your workflow into a well-oiled machine, where best practices happen automatically and you can focus on the creative parts of coding. Hooks are powerful, but they're still just shell commands. Treat them with the same care as your production code. Test them, monitor them, and keep them up to date. Well-maintained hooks can save you hours of frustration, but neglected ones can cause confusion or slowdowns. Make automation a first-class part of your development process. Automation isn't just about individual productivity. It's about making life easier for your whole team. By sharing and standardizing hooks, you help everyone work more efficiently and reduce the friction that slows teams down. Claude Code Hooks are a simple, scalable way to bring the benefits of automation to your entire organization. Claude Code Hooks offer a practical, flexible way to eliminate the small but persistent sources of developer friction. By automating approvals, formatting, context, testing, and more, you can reclaim your focus and enjoy a smoother, more productive coding experience. Start with one hook, feel the difference, and let automation become your silent teammate. Your future self and your team will thank you.